if you want to make a factory in Blender, you need to know how to make a robotic arm, because robotic arms are everywhere in factories. So I made my own version that is a really simple version to know just how they work and how can I make a bigger one, and then I will use that to make a way better one. But this one is still really impressive and it's still really cool. As you can see, we can move each part individually or separately, or just move all of them in the same time. We have some just things that can grab items on the top. I don't know the name of this. I will say hinge, but it's not the real name, so let's just call that a grabber. My English is really nice. I aligned that with his gravity point to make it turn right, and I just make some piezo, so the English name should be other, but I don't know. And we can just make that turn. I just used some circles with some locks, and this is the final result. Thank you for watching and enjoy your day, and importantly, enjoy the final result.